How you doing?
Is that pretty good, huh? There,
Joe, smile. What you smiling about? Here, you want the rest of it? What's going on there, hyena? Oh, hyena Jones over here. Yeah. I can't reach that far. Get over here. Here.
He knows it too.
I know, he gets just out of reach. Son of a gun.
He knows your limitations, and he knows everybody's limitations.
Here, baby.
He said, "Screw you, I'm backing up."
Well, come get it, man. You're blowing my back out. A little bit on the ground there. Yeah, get it, please. Miko. Miko. Here.
His favorite.
Come get the rest of it. Come on. Well, shit.
Where'd it go?
You gotta open your mouth on his chin, his nose, and ears and shit.
He's smiling.
Boy, we could just have fun doing this all day, huh?
I'm telling you.
Miko, look at me.
Miko could be your entertainment.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Let me see Meeks. Oh, I peanut butter
Hey,
face.
shit got all over himself.
Oh, yeah.
And
Go over here in the corner.
oh, yeah, get off the carpet.
Please get it off carpet. Dad doesn't get in trouble.
Yeah. Miko, come here. Why are you hiding from everything? Come here.
The trust is all
Sense
gone.
of strain. Oh, yeah, no, that's everything's.
It's gone.
We no longer have. There's nothing.
There'll be no more outside.
I got a whole shitload on my finger here, buddy. Here, come on, you can have it. Promise, nothing strange, nothing weird. No, don't be licking sandals. Come here, come, Miko. Okay, you know what? That's fine.
Isn't that good, Daddy? Is that your peanut butter, Daddy?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's Daddy's. Oh, yum, 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 Daddy.
No, I like it.
Oh, no, no, it's Daddy. I bet Miko wants some.
Every once in a while, I'll throw a little. Here, bro. That's good. Yeah, that's mine, huh?
Bruh.
Want to get in there and get the whole thing? Take a little big bite. Come on. That's good, huh? Oh, that's good, yeah.
Rub it all over his mouth.
Well, he's real quick, so if I don't do it... Oh, shit. I didn't want to get it on your throat, on the... Yeah. Christ, it's all down here. I don't know how we're going to get that. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to get that. Here. That was my bad. Here, bro. There. Get the fingers. Clean my fingers, please. I'm begging you, son.
Get it all over this.
There you go.
And this.
You already did him.
There you go. Get that right there. Get
Yeah,
that.
it's underneath. It's dripping off his chin.
Jesus. Oh, look at that shot.
Oh, Daddy. He's gonna be...
Look at this shit. That's a good one there. He just looks like he's nuts. His eyes are all wide and going like he's some kind of like mental asylum dog or something. He's
What's
like, yeah,
wrong, psycho dog?
I'm taking off. You guys
I
are
don't trust you,
yeah.
Grandma. You laugh at
make
me.
a fun.
Dog, what it is, brother.
Here, Miko, come get the rest of this, please.
Holy crap! What are you doing?
Come on, I don't want it on my fingers anymore. It's bugging me.
He's, nope.
How are we gonna get that off his
Chill.
Miko, here.
He
Miko, right here.
is
Miko.
gonna have the squirts all over this house.
Oh my
tonight.
God.
Hey, you're recording,
You better
remember?
hope not.
Yeah, I know, damn it. I was just thinking about that. So let's not tell Janie. I know. You want the rest of this? Here. Come on. Well, then get out of here. You don't trust me? I don't want you. But I do have to clean your face because you got shit all over your chin.
Dad, can I
Yes.
see the video?
Yeah, in a minute.